Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to transfer Candy Crush Saga game level from one account to another, quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and make sure you're using the latest version of the Candy Crush Saga game. To do this, open the Play Store, tap the search bar, type Candy Crush Saga, and hit search. Step 2. From the search results, tap on the Candy Crush Saga icon. If you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. If there's only a play button, it means the game is already updated, so go ahead and open it. Step 3. Once the game opens, sign in with your current account. It's usually your King account. Then, look for the My Account option in the settings menu and tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Inside the menu, here's a trick to transfer Candy Crush Saga game level from one account to another easily. Find the edit button next to your account info and tap on it. This will open up the account editing section automatically. Step 5. Now, delete the old Gmail account from the field. Then, enter the new Gmail account where you want to transfer your game progress. After that, set a nickname for the new account. Once done, tap Save Changes. Step 6. Finally, type in your current King account password, then confirm by tapping the Submit button. Wait a few moments for the process to complete, and that's it. You've successfully transferred your Candy Crush Saga game level to the new account. Please note, sometimes a verification code may be sent to your new Gmail. If that happens, open your Gmail inbox, find the code, enter it in the game when prompted, and complete the verification to finish the transfer. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.